Hi children, now we are going to see the topic dispersal of seeds in chapter 1. So what is dispersal of seeds? A tree produces many fruits and seeds. Yes, that is nature. No, a tree produces many fruits. Only one fruit it will produce. No, it will produce many fruits and each and every fruit has seeds. Okay, and so we know what is germination? From seeds new plant will grow. Okay, that is called germination. So what will happen if the seeds, all the seeds fall close to the plant? Okay, so if all the seeds fall close to the parent plant and germinate, that means in a tree, if all seeds grow near the tree, what will happen? Does it get enough sunlight and oxygen? And no, it won't get enough sunlight and oxygen and also nutrients, because the parent tree will take already all the nutrients from the soil. So there won't be not that much water, nutrients. So what will happen? Due to this, the nature has some agents. It has some agents which help to scatter the seeds. That means the seeds will scatter far away from the places. Okay, this process is called seed dispersal. That is dispersal of seeds by the nature agents such as wind, water, animals is called seed dispersal. What dispersal means? Scattering. Scattering means throwing seeds, flowing of seeds far away from the plant, from the parent plant. Okay, see, suppose, if your grandfather is working here means your father is going to work somewhere, some other city means you will get some amount from there only. No, if you all are together in one place means can you get some more money? No, we should earn by wherever we get job we should go, like that. See, like that the seeds get scattered, okay, by the nature. What are the nature that helps? Wind, water, animal. Wind, water, animal. Okay, these are all the agents. Nature agents helps for the seed to disperse far away from the places. Okay, now we will see how wind helps the seed to get dispersed. See, some seeds are very light, okay, and have hairs and wings. See here, some seeds are here. See here, cotton seeds, drumstick, drumstick seeds. These are all very light, okay, not heavy weight, okay, and hairy. It has wings. And see here, cotton seeds, it has hairs. Okay, so due to the wind, it will travel to other places. If wind blows, what will happen? It will flow to far away places. Okay, so the wind helps the seed to get dispersed. Understood? Seed, the wind by air. Wind is nothing but the air. If air flows, the seeds will get dispersed. Okay, light and hairy seeds. See here, dispersed by wind. Now, see we will see the next water. How water helps in dispersing seeds. Water. See here, the seeds of the plants which is near the river, near water. Okay, near water, whatever it may be. Maybe water, river or lake. What will happen? The seeds fall into the river. The river will carry the seeds, and wherever it go, it will grow into plant. Okay, the seeds of plants that grow near water are dispersed by water. Okay, the seeds of plants that grow near water. So which all the plants grow near the water will the seeds from the trees will fall into the water and it will disperse by water. For example, the seeds of water lily and lotus are spongy, okay, and coconut. Okay, if coconut trees are near water, not all the water, all coconuts, okay, the trees which are near to water, okay, the seeds fall into the water, and what will happen? The coconut has thick layer of fiber, okay, so it will float in the water, and it will take it to long distances. Like that, the water will help in seed dispersal. So another agent is Animals. Another agent are animals. See, humans and animals eat fruits. No, they like fruits. See, this squirrel, for example, parrot. See what happen after they eat the fruit, it will throw the seeds wherever they eat. See, the birds will take one water, like apple, whatever fruit it like, what it will pluck the fruit from the tree and it will fly through a long distance, and it will sit on the another tree. There it will eat and it will throw the water, throw away the seeds. Okay, after eating fruits like mango, orange, watermelon, so there that seed will fall, okay, in the ground, and it will grow into new plant. Okay, so fruits such as xanthium and tiger nail have hooks, okay, or spines. They get stuck to fur of animals. Some fruits, it will stuck on the fur of animals and travel. See, like bear and all. See, their body will stuck. The fruits will stuck on the body, fur of the animal, and if it will take, and okay, like that. So birds eat fruits such as guava. See, and what will happen? Which come undigested in their droppings, okay, and get dispersed. See, if you take bat, you know, it will eat fruits. What will happen? The seeds will get undigested. It won't digest, so it will leave out that as a droppings, okay, and it get dispersed. Clear? It get dispersed, okay, like that. See, the undigested in their droppings and get dispersed. So that what? Wind, water, animals are the agents, okay, which what helps in seed dispersal. And in explosion, see here, fruits such as peas, balsam and lady's finger explode with a pop. So if it get dry, what will happen? Peas and lady's finger, after if you won't pluck it from the plant, what will happen? It will get dry. After that, what will happen? When it will bloom out, the seeds become dry and seeds get scattered. Okay, if the lady's finger, if you not remove the lady's finger from the plant for a long time, the lady's finger will get dry. So the seeds within that also get dry. After that, it gets scattered. See here, scattered means open. See, open. And after that, the seeds will grow here and there. Okay, like that. So these are all the things how seeds get dispersed and grow into what? New plants. Because you may think, why not all the plants are grow in same place itself. Okay, in this way the seed gets dispersed all over the world, and the plants will grow where? Okay, there. Okay, understood?